So good morning everyone. So this morning I'm in a village called Laia. We are in a traditional Spanish village and it is very, very quaint. Beautiful church with church bells ringing. You will absolutely love this place and I have a beautiful home to show you as well. So come with me on this journey. Oh guys, this is what I love about Spain. As I stand here in the heart of this village, the sun is beaming down, wrapping everything in its gentle warmth. You can feel it on your skin. It's really slow and unhurried. And you can hear the birds in the background flipping about in the air. It's a natural soundtrack of this village because the nearby locals are sitting over there at the bar and cafe and they're drinking coffee, sharing stories, and you can hear laughter raising easily between them every now and again. It's a real sense of belonging here, a place where time slows down, conversation matters, and this is meant to be enjoyed. Because this isn't just a village you pass through, it's a village you become a part of. And the bar isn't just a bar and cafe, they bake bread over there, and there is a man that comes around in this village with a van with fresh bread every week. So this is your outlook of this property. Welcome to this traditional Spanish property, and you can see it has a red frontage against those beautiful deep blue skies, and the sun is shining so brightly today. You have off-road parking just set in front of you. Now this is a 3-bedroomed, 2-bathroomed property. So to the side you have a side gate that leads to the back of the property. Just in front here with the 2 little olive trees in the pot, there is a small terrace there that you can sit out, and there is a plug socket on the terrace as well. There is a water point just here in the garden, so if you want to water your plants, it just holds down the driveway, you know. So I'll just pan around here to give you a feel for the driveway here. Beautiful home. So let's go inside. So just to the front where the terrace is, you have got an overhead outside light here and a little plug socket down on the wall. You've also got the blackout blinds on the windows there as well. So a lovely place to sit in the morning. So let's go inside, step inside this beautiful home. So the minute you step inside, you'll immediately notice how the natural light just flows through this living area. It's nice and bright and airy, welcoming space. It's a true blank canvas, just ready for you to put your own stamp on it and shape it around your lifestyle. You can just hear those church bells ringing. Sounds beautiful. So this home offers 3 well-proportioned bedrooms and 2 bathrooms. Now on the ground floor you'll find it's very, very comfortable. You've got plenty of sockets and plugs all around. You can just hear the church bells ringing as well. Sounds so beautiful. This home offers well-proportioned rooms and it's lovely, large, bright and airy. And through the patio doors is your outside space, but I'm just going to pan around quickly just to give you a feel of the space. Funnily enough, I've always said the houses that look like they're blank canvas, they always look smaller without the furniture, but you can pack a lot of furniture into this property. So I'm going to take you outside. Now there's a private area here perfectly suited for a hot tub, creating a lovely space to relax and unwind. There's also an exciting potential to extend the utility area around the corner. Just here you have patio doors coming from the kitchen, and as you've seen there was an overhead light there as well. Just pan around the side gate to the front of the properties there, and over each set of patio doors you have outside lighting. This is the utility room. Now if you wanted to brick this wall up and put a door through, you could extend that kitchen. Fantastic opportunity to create a larger, more open kitchen space. So let's walk over there and explore it a little better. You can see there's a water point there, and we have electrics to this area. You got piping, and you got a boiler and a worktop space as well. And of course you got, I did say, your electrics, your plug sockets and that. So you could just imagine these few feet would make that kitchen a lot bigger, although it's quite ample as it is. Now the staircase in this property is in the heart of the property of the home. It's positioned between the downstairs bedroom and the bathroom and the kitchen area. So this leads upstairs to 2 further bedrooms and a bright solarium. Okay, so I'm going to take you in to the bedroom first. As you can see, plenty of sockets and plugs and everything you need in here. Now guys, from here you'll enjoy the open views to the front of this property, with the added reassurance that no one is permitted to build in front of this property, ensuring those views remain forever uninterrupted. Now it's a good sized bedroom with plenty of sockets and plugs, and your large double wardrobes here as well. So I'll open this one wardrobe for you, just to give you a feel for the wardrobe and the depth of the wardrobe, because I know some of us women like a nice closet. So it's quite a large closet with good depth to it. We are just going here to the shower room. Now the shower room here, if I just look up above, has a standard light, has coving and a lovely trim around the tiles above. You have a cubicle, sink and pedestal, and a WC and lovely terracotta tiling on the floor. You've also got a mirror there, which is very modern, and this of course is fully tiled. So let's go into the kitchen now, and through that door with the frosted glass you have a beautiful kitchen. So as we go through the door, as you can see, when you open the door, it comes into this lovely bright and airy kitchen. You have standard light above, you have your hood extractor there, you have an integrated electric hob and electric oven, plenty of drawers, top and base units, plenty of worktop space, and your sink and drainer. This is the oven. It's pristine as the rest of the house is. Plenty of sockets and a lovely trim around the tiles there. So in a far corner just there, I'll walk down, and you can put a large fridge freezer in there. Just panning around, just to give you another feel for this room. And out there is your outside space coming off the kitchen. So this is the real heart of the home, the kitchen. You put your fridge freezer in there, plenty of room. So just here we're going to go outside and we're going to look at that downstairs bedroom. And as you can see, this staircase is the centre of the home. So I'll see you at the top of the stairs, guys. So now we're at the top of the stairs. We're going into this bedroom with this beautiful outlook. The mountains and beautiful blue skies. You got his and her wardrobes in here, large double wardrobes, and stunning views out of the bedroom with a lovely Juliet balcony. Absolutely stunning. Now as I pan around and take this room at a different angle for you guys, you can see there's plenty of sockets and switches here. And I'm just going to take you out onto this balcony here and have a look. Just want to take this in. We are in the heart of a traditional Spanish village, and this is your outlook. It's really, really beautiful. The sun and the sky there. And of course we're very close to Murcia Airport and to the beaches. So as we go in, you can appreciate this lovely terracotta floor in the bedroom. And I'm going to take you through to the family bathroom now, and we'll have a look at that. So as we come into the bathroom, you can see we have a sink and pedestal, a bidet, and to my right there is a bath with semi-frosted shower screen and shower attachment. Just above you have this lovely coving that goes around the ceiling there, and you've got this beautiful decorative trim halfway up the tiles. Got a modern mirror with a light, got a frosted window, you got your towel rail, your bidet as I said before, and a WC. Got this beautiful terracotta floor in here as well. Just above the door here you have got a plug socket, which you could, if you wanted to, put an electric heater up there just to take the chill out of the air in the winter months. And you got your shaving socket just here by the mirror. So as I pan around, just to give you a feel of the room, we're going to take it downstairs now. You have got a standard light, of course, up there, but you've also got that light over the mirror. So let's have a look at this decorative trim. It's really beautiful. And let's go into the next bedroom. And inside here, as you can see, plenty of light coming in. You've got a lovely solarium there. You've also got plenty of sockets on the walls as well. And you have his and her wardrobes. Just turning around to give you a good feel for the room. And beautiful terracotta tiles flowing through the whole of this property on the floors and here on the solarium. Now out here you could put a nice table and chairs, like a bistro table and chairs. There is a plug socket there. You could put your hot tub up here if you wanted. Stunning views, I've got to say. This village is stunning with beautiful views, mountains backdrop there, the birds singing in the trees. What more could you want? Really beautiful. You have of course got that outside light that illuminates the solarium here in the evening, so you could sit here quite pleasantly enjoying a glass of wine before you go to bed. So don't forget, this is a blank canvas, so you could put your own stamp on this property and make it your own and create something beautiful. So let's go back downstairs now. If you are interested in this property, I will leave the reference number in the title of the video. Also share and like, because somebody out there would love this property. And if you just watch to the end, I have a stunning beach to show you, which is very close to this property. It's literally about maybe 20-minute drive, if that, down the road. So until the next time guys, take care, have an amazing day, and I hope to see you all soon.